Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm gonna share with you how possible is make money with binary options and explain step by step why I taken this trades and share with you the results we have using this strategy for binary options. So let's roll with this video. Okay, guys, let's go to check it out how and why I taken this new signal. Well, something that I notice sometimes with pocket options, the stochastic oscillator don't show me the red candles sometimes, and that is a common mistake that I always made with this strategy. Sometimes I see in the moment they crossing both moving average, and I decide taking the signal and trade. So for that can be risky to trade because maybe for just because I don't have that another confirmation within the stochastic oscillator, can I have out the money trade for me? So and this not was the case. I have a great results. I have in the money. I have a huge dip in the money with this turbo strategy, and I like it how ending this trade with this turbo strategy. So the idea of this video is explain what I did good and what I did wrong with this strategy. Lucky for me, this ending in the money, but I don't notice, they don't show me the red candles in the moment that I take it the trade with this turbo strategy for binary options. So that'll lead me if I lost this trade, definitely can be my bad. So was in the money, it was a great result with this turbo strategy for binary options. So the idea here on this video is explain step by step what I did to get these results. Well, obviously I have a short downtrend with this signal. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 red candles, and I decided to take it for a put. We have a constant downtrend crossing the moving average, and I just messed up the other indicator telling me this red candle is confirmed, you need to trade for a put. So for that I have this trade in the money. Was lucky for me, and I decided taking this trade. So that lead me with the second trade that I take it today, and was the same scenario. Just trading quickly, and the indicators are two moving average, two simple moving average, and a stochastic oscillator. And the momentum indicator, sorry, I said stochastic before, right? It's the momentum indicator, and the momentum indicator only is gonna help me to get another confirmation that is a good moment to trade. With this signal, I decided to take it and trade, and I have right now 1, 2, 3, and 4 candles, green candles, and that lead me in the money with this turbo strategy. I like a trade with this strategy with this moving average. Is simple to follow a trend, and if you trade with 2 minutes on 1 minute charts, we can get or see a better results on our trades. So was the same scenario, was a good trade, and I have another in the money with this strategy, right? The idea is only wait and get a good opportunities to trade. So I'm gonna leave you with the speed video with the rest of these trades and see the patterns that I follow, crossing the moving average, see the pattern, well, if they have another confirmation with the momentum indicator, we can have a great result with this turbo strategy for binary options. And this is how we can use or trade this strategy with the broker pocket option. You can use the broker that you prefer. For this video, I am recording this with the pocket option broker. So enjoy the video. Okay guys, this is how I made these profits today. Follow these simple indicators for binary options and this turbo strategy for binary options. I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next wave.